3 people, including a 3-month-old baby, have been rushed to hospital after an outdoor fire exploded at a property in Victoria's north. Emergency services were called to a block of land on Industrial Crescent in Nagambie about 7:15 p.m. on Sunday following the explosion. The infant, a 3-year-old and a woman were in the vicinity of the fire when it exploded, police said. The 2 children were taken to Royal Children's Hospital, both in a stable condition. The woman was also taken to hospital for observation. A man, who was also at the scene, wasn't injured.